Hey friends, I'm back with another must-have product, and you're going to love this one. First up, the design is just stunning. It has that high-end look and feels amazing in your hands. And the price? Way more affordable than I expected, especially considering the quality you're getting. It's super practical too. Perfect for personal use, work, or gifting to someone special. Check the description for all the details, and if you love content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.